So let me take you through the registration process. So first of all, we have this pre-registration page over here. I would be sharing the links with you here. So just to learn about the program more in detail, so we had 4 phases. We are done with 2 of them already. That was on genomics and transcriptomics, and now we are starting with the fourth phase that is on machine learning, and then we have chemoinformatics as well. So to know more about the program and to pre-register yourself, you can refer this link over here. And this is the pre-registration form. You can fill it out. We'll get your entries and then we'll get back to you once we receive your pre-registration form. To register yourself directly, you can simply go to the machine learning for biomedical drug discovery page over here and start your application. I'll just share the page link. So just start with the application and you will get to know the different levels we have for this program. These levels are different based on the provisions you would get, the access and the mentorship guidance you would get. And once you get started with the application, you can simply choose the option you would like to proceed with, select the option and proceed further. And also, many a times people want to know more detail of the session. So Ilya has already told you that you could get the session details over here as well, on which day, what topics would be covered. And to get the details on the chemoinformatics program, I'm again sharing this link here with you. So I had a common doubt. People were asking me what is the registration link for chemoinformatics. So this is the chem informatics page, and then you have the machine learning page. But for all the programs, our pre-registration form does the same, right? So you can simply go ahead and proceed your application from these pages. Now, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section itself so we can take it here. And to know more about the Chem Informatics program, we would actually be conducting a webinar on 3rd June to talk more about Chem Informatics in detail and to discuss each and every session topics which would be covered in the program over there. So I'll be sharing the link of that particular session as well with you. And you guys also can get yourself registered for both the programs at just one time by paying for both of them at one single time. And those who have not yet followed us on the social can do so by following us on the LinkedIn page over here, Omics Logic. Now I'm asking you this just because I want you all to stay updated with all the sessions and webinars we have so that you don't miss out the chance of your research interest training. And then we have our Facebook page, though I've shared the link, but I'll be sharing it once again. Registration can be paid by invoice. Yes, Anurag, it can be paid by invoice as well. You can mail me at marketing@pine.bio for any of the queries you have which you're not able to ask right now, maybe. And also, if you face any issues at any particular step, you can mail me and I would be there to help you out. And if you want me to generate an invoice for you, please mail me that as well. You'll get the invoice then and there. And also we were streaming live for this session we had today, so the recording is here. If any one of you missed out on the important point, you can refer the video here, and also I would be sharing the recording with you as well. If you guys have any doubt, please ask in the comment section, or else we can end the session. Yes, I would be sharing the workshop recordings as well after each and every session, and those recordings would be downloadable. And during this, so being a part of the training program would get you the access of our portal. You would be able to go through the training properly. You would get the access of a T-Info server as well. That would be for the whole length of the program, that is 1 month, and you would also get the mentorship. So during the program, whatever doubts you face, your mentor would be there to help you out. Okay,